Christmas. Yes, Santa Claus came. But you're gonna have to get up and see what he brought you. Hair sitting up all over the place.
What you got?
Hey!
Where'd all that stuff come from?
What is that?
It's a what? Transformer head.
You're really excited about it. It's a mask, baby. You just don't know what that is for.
And this and this?
Yes, Santa Claus on this. Did you know this, Mommy?
Santa Claus brought that to you.
Oh, okay. Well, Santa Claus brought me what present?
Mommy helped give him some ideas, but Santa Claus brought it.
Oh, what
Did Santa Claus eat some milk and cookies?
Go look and see, I don't know.
He did.
He ate the milk and cookies.
Oh.
Whoa.
Yeah.
All right.
Look at him. He's the cutest thing in the world. He came to your house.
Yeah.
It's Christmas.
Yeah, but that just was upstairs.
Huh?
That just was upstairs.
No, I ended up letting you sleep down here with my mom. You were already knocked out, so I let you lay there.
You were in the same room with Santa Claus. Whoa.
He didn't wake you up, apparently you sleep like your daddy.
This was what we do tonight.
Yeah.
That's bathtub crayons, baby.
Yeah, let's open them.
Get you. Open some presents.